What is up, everybody? I am RC Gates, and today for our art tutorial we are going to be taking a look at how to use the Gaussian Blur effect to make your art pop. Now, most of the times whenever you're presenting an art piece to somebody, you're going to want to draw their eye to something in particular, and most of the times that thing will be the most detailed object in that piece. It'll also sometimes be the only thing in focus, or the one that's in the most focus, much like this girl is in this picture. Your eye is instantly drawn to her, rather than the trees in the background or the two people walking in the background. Because they are blurred out, your mind instantly tells you that the girl is the most important part of this piece. So what I'm going to show you is how to do that same similar thing in Procreate with your art. So without any further ado, let's jump right into that. Alright, so this is actually going to be a pretty simple tutorial. We are using Procreate on the iPad, and this actually makes the blur process much easier. So this is actually just a personal project of mine that I decided to do as a way of testing this method. So the number one thing that you want to do is to make sure that your background is on one layer. And as you can see on layer 36 down here, all my background is on one layer. Right now, it is very crisp, and you can see all the details of these clouds and the rays of light that are shining down behind this angel character. And what we want to do is we want to make this angel pop more. So what we are going to do is we're going to make sure that the background layer is selected, and we can see that it is of course selected, and we are going to go up to the far left corner, not the second button over, into the adjustments, and in the second section of that you'll see Gaussian Blur. We are going to click on that, and as you can see there's now a bar up at the top that says Gaussian Blur 0%, slide to adjust. We are going to slide our Apple Pencil or our fingers across the screen for however much we want to blur the background. And for this we just want to blur it a little bit, but it can go all the way up until a point where it's not even readable. And we don't really need that, so we're going to go with just a tiny bit of blur, just so that the lines of the character can pop more so than the background. So that should be a good enough amount. And we can just click off of that, and there we have a character that now pops out more from the background, because all the more crisp details are solely on that character. Now the Gaussian blur effect can be used for other stuff as well, such as lightening and softening shadows, and also adding glowing effects to certain areas, but I wanted to focus mainly on making a character pop today, because this is my main method of doing that. But that is pretty much all that I have for you guys today with this tutorial. So please leave a like if this helped you. Please comment what your thoughts are on this. And also subscribe to the channel for more comic reviews, art tutorials, and other fun stuff. Thank you all for watching, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Peace out.